Hi everyone, welcome to mashmash. We help marketing and agency teams build and run MMM quickly and get actionable results. We're in open beta and we'd love for you to test our MMM SaaS tool developed by us, former Google and Facebook employees, empowered by Robin. We want to help you run MMM and Robin even quicker, faster and simpler without code in your favorite tool, Excel. I'll give you a quick overview of mashmash and then a quick demo. Why mashmash? Two of our team members have been involved in building Robin. So our goal is to help others adopt MMM faster and reduce friction. How do we do that? Number one, we've built a simple Excel add-on that is simple to install and gives you fast results. You can run multiple models simultaneously on the cloud and get results within minutes. Number two, our team has developed an assisted model selection flow that is completely transparent and also is easy to configure with regards to the model and hyperparameters. Number three, we aim to provide intuitive insights, means that you have budget allocator scenarios that you can play around with in the Excel tool, but also you have the ability to export the key insights as a PDF. Let's jump into the demo. You have an empty Excel workbook, and you can today already add the Excel add-on from the Excel add-on store. The Excel add-on looks something like this. You have workspaces and you have jobs after you signed in with Google and Microsoft. And now we can run our first marketing mix model, but we need data for this. If you don't have data, you can add sample data and it appears like this. Let's configure our first MMM. We need to select the date column. We need to select the KPI column, which is revenue. And then we can add media spends. For instance, TV, and you can define if there should be lag or no lag, and if this is an online or offline channel. If you want to have advanced configuration options, you can simply add it here. After you've added on media spends and organic metrics, you can then add trend and seasonality data. For instance, the sample data is from Germany. And you can define how many iterations Robin should run on the cloud, and you can simply launch the job. It will take 30 to 45 minutes to complete the job. In the meantime, you can load the dashboard. The loading the dashboard will take around 3 minutes with our assisted model selection flow. After the job has been completed, you can see here it's been completed. You can then load the data into the dashboard. And it will look something like this. Mash-0 gives you an overview of the job itself and input data, top-line job overviews, and so on. Mash-1 then will guide you through the first step in the model selection flow, where you check the job performance and you check the cluster model fit. The next step is to compare different clusters and analyze different clusters. And you can see different clusters, including ROAS and R square. And you can see also additional information on the clusters. Step 3 is comparing different models within these clusters. And we've designed an overview where you can compare 2 different clusters here. You can see the top 15 models within these clusters, ranked by ROAS, model fit, and budget optimization potential. Now you're able to also compare different models within these clusters or within the same cluster, and you can visually see how they perform. You can see the total model effect, and you can also see the media effect, which is revenue versus share spend, as well as other detailed information like saturation curves and ad stock. And after having all the information and insights on the different models, and you've selected one model, you can run the budget allocator in mashmash for The budget allocator here, you can choose different clusters again and different models again, where you can compare different budget scenarios, and we've predefined different budget scenarios for you: maximize response or ROAS target levels. And at the end, you have an overview of what the recommendation would be to shift budgets. After you went through the assisted model selection flow, you're able to export the data into a sample report. And the sample report or the insights report looks something like this. It will consolidate all the key insights of the job and the workflow into one PDF. You have model inputs and designs. You have the model selection flow, how many models Robin trained and what was the selected model. You have insights around the ROAS and how the channels performed and how the model performed as well. And then you have marginal ROAS insights, as well as spend share insights. Lastly, you have two different budget optimization scenarios, standardized. Number one is maximizing ROAS with the same budget. And you can see how you should shift the budgets to maximize your revenue. And lastly, you have budget optimization recommendations in case you want to increase your budget by 20%. So now we invite you to test mashmash with a free trial until the end of January. Please follow this link. It will guide you to a Google Docs with step-by-step instructions and also how you can submit feedback. If you want to submit feedback already now, or you want to reach out to our team, please send an email at info@mashmash.io. We're looking forward for your testing and your feedback. Thank you.